Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and our first order is going to be a Jack in the Box going 5 miles.
Hi, what can I complete today?
Thank you. You too. Well, luckily the gate is open because they did not give me a gate code. I might know where this one's going actually. I think I recognize the instructions. They're going to be standing outside waiting for me somewhere around here. Or at least that's what they said. They gave me 3 bags. Don't know why, but there you are.
Alright, thanks.
And I got your drink too. There you are.
Thank you.
Should be good to go. Okay, they came down. All is well. Actually, I probably shouldn't say that until I check the total. Total for that was $9. Okay, yeah, all is well. We've got a McDonald's. This one is going 5 miles. Thank you.
Okay, this one for you.
Hand it to me. Why? Oh, I need a pin. That's why. Oh wow, who would have guessed? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $7, and the next order is a Seize the Bagel going 6 miles. Yeah, for Brittany.
My only one.
Perfect.
Have a good day.
You too, thank you. So it's been like 10 minutes since that last drop off, right? I'm already on this other order, and the previous customer that I had 0 interaction with, because they were probably still asleep to be honest, they just now messaged me saying, "So sorry, have a good morning," smiley face. Ooh, and another no tip. That one was $6 and change. Just got the next order. This is a Muchas Gracias. This one's going 6 miles. Yep. Thank you.
Okay.
Total for that one was $9. Okay. Finally got the next order. This is a McDonald's. This one said it was a catering order. I think it just has a ton of food on it, but we'll see. This one is $12 going 5 miles. Yes. Thank you.
Drinks.
Gotcha.
You have a good one.
You too. So this is a catering order, huh? I mean, that little bag is packed to the brim, so I'll give them that much.
Thank you very much.
Yep. You have a good day.
You too.
Ooh, the base pay on that one was actually like nothing. Hopefully they're in a good mood and I get the full tip. Next up, we've got another McDonald's. This one's going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. 13. Bro, where the f is this? The bottom 2 apartment numbers were like 15, 16, and then the top 3 are 19, 22, 23. Like, they're just making things up at this point. But yeah, total for that order was $5 and change, no tip. And we got the next order right away. This is Subway, $7 going 3 miles. Thank you. Oh, yeah, there you are. Thank you. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $7 going 4.5 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Next up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. This one is $14, going 5 miles, only one item.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't, is it this?
Um,
1.75.
Yeah.
Head to your pickup at Daydream Breakfast Burritos.
This one is $10, going about a mile. Thank you. This is right across the street. I'm just gonna walk. There you are.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day. We got the next orders right away. This is a stack going to 2 different people. We've got Panera and Denny's. I think it's at like $15 going 7 miles, something like that. This one's going across the river. Thank you.
Have a good one.
Good morning.
For Kristen?
Yes.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well. Well, it looks like just the pickups were across the river. We're going back into my zone. That's a really good thing, actually. So I've been getting spammed, and I mean spammed, by floral pickups. Please tell me that it's not just a bunch of people that missed the memo about Valentine's Day. Next up, we've got a Burgerville. This one is going 3 miles.
Oh, for Kara?
Thank you.
Have a good one, thank you.
Thank you so much.
There you are.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
Have a good one.
You too.
Total for that order was $7. Next up, we've got a Taco Bell. This one is $9, going 4 miles. Ooh, they gave me a whole paragraph. Blah, blah, blah. There are stairs, kind of steep. Please be careful. Also, maybe something censored at stairs, question mark? Bad neighbors. I don't know what that means, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna start heading home. If I don't get a good order, that's gonna be it for this video. Current time is 10:16. Current total, we are at 117. And I'm waiting on 2 Uber tips, so that should bring it up to like 125, maybe 130. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.